Hi together. Today I want to talk about PM fibers or polarization-maintaining fibers, special optical fibers designed to maintain the polarization state of the fiber during the transmission. And these fibers are unlike standard fibers. They have to minimize the distortion of the signals during external stress like bending or temperature changes. And therefore they are mostly used in high precision applications like fiber optic sensors or maybe quantum technologies as well. And this is because of the internal structure of the fiber, so it's more reliable. As you see here, this is a normal PM fiber and it looks like a normal patch cord, just with two LC connectors, but inside there's the high technologies. We as Amphenol Sachsenkabel assemble these PM fibers in different wavelengths and with different connectors, so just reach out to us if you want to see more about that.